Hi. So today let's talk about BMI. What is BMI and how important is it? BMI, as in body mass index, it is a screening tool that measures the body fat percentage based on height and weight. It is the measure of body size. The BMI value gives an idea about whether a person has the correct weight as per their height. BMI is the ratio of an individual's weight in kilograms to the square of height in meters. So, a person with a weight of 70 kgs and height of 1.7 meters will have a BMI of 24.2. Research has suggested that a BMI value is directly related to the body fat content and consequently to various metabolic diseases and outcomes. The low BMI value of 18.5 and less depicts the condition of underweight. The BMI value between 18.5 and 25 indicates a healthy range. The high BMI value between 25 to 30 means that the individual is overweight. Furthermore, the BMI value of 30 and above is obese and usually needs immediate attention. So let's look at some of health consequences of high BMI in adults. Researchers have established that people with high BMI are at an increased risk of many diseases and health conditions. To list some: diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular diseases, osteoporosis, gallbladder diseases, chronic inflammation, and cancer. As BMI goes up, the risk of metabolic diseases also increase. Health consequences of low BMI, though, the major limelight is stolen away by the high BMI. The condition of low BMI is also threatening, which should be addressed timely. Some of the risks associated with underweight are malnutrition, a decrease in immunity, restricted growth and development, reproductive issues, and increased risk of miscarriage. Now let's look at some limitations of the BMI. BMI is most commonly used tool for measuring the body weight. It is not perfect and has certain limitations. To list some: it does not differentiate between muscle mass and body fat mass. It considers body weight and not body fat percentage. It does not take into account the age and the gender. It is not able to reflect the right health issue at some stages of life like pregnancy, breastfeeding, and childhood. However, BMI is an inexpensive, easily affordable, and understandable tool that can give you a fair idea about your health status and even disease prediction for the future. If the BMI value came out to be below or above normal range, one should take appropriate, timely measures. Similarly, maintaining the normal BMI range is equally important too. This will take you closer to a healthier and a disease-free life. Thank you.